In previous video I discussed the array representation of a stack. Now I'm going to discuss about the linked representation of a stack. So as you know that the stack can be represented in two ways, through array or through linked list. Okay, this is linked representation of a stack. So the linked representation of a stack, commonly termed linked stack, is a stack that is implemented using single linked list. Okay, now the info field, as you know that every linked list has two part. First is information, and second part store the address of the next node. Okay, so, or you can say it is a link part. Okay, so info field of the nodes hold the element of the stack. Obviously information field stores the information data. Okay, the link field of the nodes hold pointer to the neighboring element. As I told you, the link field contains the address of the next node. Okay, pointer to the neighboring element in the stack. The start pointer of the linked list behave as a top pointer variable or head. Okay, see, as I take an example, here is a start pointer variable, and three nodes are there which contains information and link also. So xxx is the data of first node, YYY is the data of second node, and ZZZ data is of the third node, and it is last node because the link portion has null. Okay, so it is the top of the stack. You can say it is the top of the stack. So we use two operations here, push and pop. First we take push operation. Okay, we want to push www into a stack in the existing nodes, existing linked list. Okay, so we have to insert here because we are using stack, not in any position. Okay, so push www onto stack. Before stack, the diagram will be the same, and after push operation we have to push here. After push operation we have to push the node at the top position, as you know, in this way. So as you know, we push before xxx will be the top position. Now in top position is www. Okay, now if you want to do in pop operation, what have to do? We have to delete xxx, the first node. So before, the diagram will be the same. Then we take an example of the linked list, linked representation of a stack. Now after pop operation, when we pop it, that means when we pop xxx from the existing list, we have left YYY and ZZZ, and the top is the, now after deleting a node, the pop is point to the YYY, and it has only 2 nodes. Okay, the algorithm for push operation. If available, avail, I denote is avail, equals to null, then write overflow. Then what condition will be there? It is overflow and exit. Otherwise, it set x new equals to avail and avail equals to link of avail. That means it remove node from avail. Now the next step is set information of new equals to item. That means it copies item into new node. Next, set link new equals to top, where top equals to new. That means you have to link top at the newly added node. Okay, and set top equals to now previously it was xxx connected with top, and now after pushing www, the top points with www, and www has a link part which connect the next node which contains xxx in this way, and exit. And algorithm for pop operation, that means we delete a node. That means if pop equals to null, then write underflow and exit. Set item equals to information, set item equals to top, and top equals to link. Set link of temporary, we have to make a temporary node and which has avail, and avail equals to temp, and exit. Okay, thank you.